In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys the reason why your Shopify store is unavailable. Now, here is how to fix this. You want to go to your Shopify, log in into your account, click on login, and you want to log into your account. Okay. Now, the reason why your Shopify store is unavailable is because you have a password protection, and this password protection, you can only remove it if you are paying for the Shopify subscription. And to do that, you want to click on settings at the very bottom left, and you want to click on plan. After, guys, you click on plan, you need to select here a plan. It says here choose a plan. Now you can either, you can only pay $1 for the first 3 months. You want to choose basic, choose the Shopify advanced. All these you can only pay $1. Now after, guys, you do that, then you will be able to your store will be shown to people, and now everyone will be able to check out. Okay, but now your store is hidden from search, and people, you won't be able to buy anything if your Shopify store is protected. Okay, so I hope, guys, this video helped you. If it does, leave a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys in the next video. Make sure after you pay for the subscription, you remove the password, and I have made a lot of videos about it. It's very easy. It will take you only 20 seconds to remove the password. See you guys next video.